whole wheat bread, milk. Asterisk lunch asterisk steamed rice, stir-fried vegetables, boiled fish, soup. Asterisk dinner asterisk boiled rice, stir-fried vegetables, fried fish, bland soup. Additional advice asterisk. Asterisk you should consult your doctor or nutrition expert to receive advice that is appropriate for the physical condition of the elderly. Asterisk you should exercise regularly to help enhance health. Hope this advice is useful. Smiling face with smiling eyes.
ขอบคุณครับขอข้อแนะนำเกี่ยวกับการออกกำลัง
You're welcome. Smiling face with smiling eyes. If you have any questions or need additional help, please tell me. Happy to serve you.
ขอข้อแนะนำเกี่ยวกับการออกกำลังกายด้วยครับ
Pleased. Exercise for seniors is very important. Helps enhance health, strengthen and help prevent various diseases. Recommendations about exercise for seniors asterisk. 1. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity asterisk asterisk. There is no need to exercise very hard at first. You should start with light exercise such as walking, yoga, or swimming. Gradually increase the time and intensity of exercise. At least 1 to 2 times a week. Listen to your body. If you feel tired, rest immediately. 2. Choose activities that are suitable for your body asterisk asterisk. Choose fun activities and can do it continuously. If you have a congenital disease you should consult your doctor before starting to exercise. 3. Exercise regularly asterisk asterisk. Try to exercise for at least 30 minutes most of the day. Should be divided into short sessions, such as 10 minutes, 3 times a day. 4. Focus on aerobic exercise asterisk asterisk. Helps strengthen the heart and lung system, such as brisk walking, swimming, cycling, aerobic dancing. You should do at least 150 minutes of aerobic exercise per week. 5. Supplement with strength training exercises asterisk asterisk. Helps strengthen muscles and bones, such as lifting weights, practicing yoga, or other types of muscle training. Strength training exercises should be done at least 2 times per week. 6. Get enough rest asterisk asterisk. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours per night.